Hello guys, it's Sai here. Welcome to my channel. Today video I will be showing you guys how to do 10 simple shot with instant 360 flow blow gimbal with iPhone for cinematic shot. Stay tuned until the end of the video. Shot number 1, low to high angle shot. Okay guys, for the low to high angle I will be pushing very low close to the ground and then gonna raise up the gimbal. I will be shooting on my iPhone 12 guys. For this technique, make sure you are walking forward slowly while pushing the gimbal and slowly rise in the air. Here is the result that we're gonna get. Pretty cool and amazing cinematic guy. And here another example guy pushing forward and slowly rise the gimbal in the air, and here the scene that we're gonna get. Guys, another shot we're gonna do, we will be using the tree behind me to shoot with a beautiful scene. Is the using the obstructor technique for shooting cinematic scene. We just start from the tree and then slowly move our gimbal to the left direction. Here we go guys, we get a cinematic scene. And here is another example. We are using the bushes as the obstructor and slowly moving out our gimbal to the left direction to reveal the beautiful scene. Pretty cool and amazing guy. And here we go, we get another example. We're using the signboard and then try to reveal the location by using the obstructor technique. And the third one will be the time-lapse shot guy. To do this shot, just go to the camera setting, go to the time-lapse, and then here we're gonna choose the setting. For the sunrise, we're gonna choose 5 seconds, 10-minute recording length, and then we're gonna be choosing the custom track. Here we go, and then we make the start scene, and then we add another scene, and we move to the right side and add the last scene. We can add up to 4 scenes. For me, I just use only 3 scenes guys. Good morning guys, today we are here to capture the sunrise with our flow gimbal. We're gonna we already changed the setting with the custom track, and then there's a lot of crowd behind, and let's see how is the footage. This is one of the simple shot with the instant 360 flow gimbal. Okay guys, when we press the record, the camera is moving around. Okay, now our camera pointing this direction, and then in the middle where the sun is coming out, and then another side where the road is coming. Even we try to shooting slowly, and let's see how is the result. Here we go, we get the amazing and very beautiful shot here. And here another example for the right speed. Okay, the next shot gonna be the walking shot. This time we just point our gimbal to the downward position and slowly walk to the direction that we want to show by facing the camera to the scene. And this is the scenic view that we're gonna get while walking. If we flip the camera to the other side, we're gonna get this giant walking shot. Pretty cool and amazing. Okay guys, another shot, another simple shot we're gonna do. We will try to do check the blocking shot while we are walking, and then talking how is the gimbal walk. So I will change to the selfie mode. We're gonna extend this guy, pan it, and then go to the position that we want. Okay, now let's start. Here is the scene, guys. Now I turn on the AI tracking. It's very cool feature. Even try to keep my face in the center of the frame. There we go. While I is talking and walking, it keep tracking me all the time, guys. See, when I move around, it will try to keep me in the center of the frame. It's pretty cool and amazing feature. December for the vlogging shot, look like another one is filming you, but the float gimbal just tracked by itself with the AI tracking system. Pretty cool and amazing feature. Hello guys, next shot we're gonna try with this gimbal is for the running shot, like we are jogging. Okay guys, this is the jogging with the gimbal. To start the shot, guys, I just show my hand with the catcher turn on. It will start record automatic. Guy now jogging in the jungle, guys. Let's turn it back. This is the running shot test for instant 360 flow. The shot gonna be the object tracking shot. We're gonna track the rig and then try to frame. Okay, we just put our gimbal in the auto mode and then track the object that we want to focus on, and then just hit the record, and we can start moving while filming. The gimbal will keep the object tracking all the time. Keep moving, keep tracking the rig there. Even we move already to this direction, is keep tracking the object pretty good with this AI tracking system. There we go. Lost already. There we go. It's coming back, guys. It's pretty nice. Okay, guys. Now we will be shooting in the follow mode. To shoot the follow mode, we just swap on the gimbal to the F position. Then moving our camera from the top to the bottom. Here is the result, guys. There we go. Very useful when we want to show the architect. Okay guys, this time we will be shooting this beautiful tree in the pan follow mode. Stay tuned. To shoot the pan follow mode, we just swap to the PF, stand for the pan follow, and we can just start shooting while walking slowly. And here is the beautiful result that we're gonna get. Wow, that's so cool. Okay guys, for the next shot we're gonna test with the FPV shot. We will try to spin our camera. For FPV mode, go to the camera setting, tap on the gimbal icon, tap on the follow mode, and tap on the FPV mode, and just start shooting by raising the camera and spinning it at the same time. Here is the cool result that we're gonna get. And here another example, very beautiful flower. Hope you guys like it. Hello guys, now I'm at the taxi stop. In today's video, we'll be showing you another shot for the Timelapse using the Instant 360 gimbal. I will be sitting on the car and then we'll be shooting all the way back to my hotel. By the way, you guys are joining me from Pisanulok City, Northern Thailand, guys. Okay, to start the shot, in the setting, just go to the time shift and then hold the gimbal and pointing to the road direction. Here is the Timelapse result, and very cool, guys. Here another one in the jungle. The video I already show you how to shoot with the gimbal 10 different style. And guy, I just in the other guy farm. Hope there's no snake here at the village in the northern Thailand, guy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share to help me grow the channel, guy. See you in the next video.